Tapos, ang nangyari, nung nirelease yung vlog ko na yun, na sinabi ko yung shoutout kay Mozi and Company, ganun, saktong birthday daw pala niya.
Wow.
Na-release. So, coincidence. Another coincidence. So, nung na-release siya nung birthday niya, sabi niya, nung day daw ng birthday niya, medyo depressed siya.
Okay.
Kasi 4 days na raw siyang walang sales. Tapos may paparating pa raw siya atong 100 na t-shirts. Hindi pa niya ma-dispose yung few hundreds na nasa kanya pa. Nakapag-order na siya. Kasi he thought everything is going. You know, eto just to cut the, pause lang muna dun sa story. A lot of people kasi, when they start business, they parang, ang ginagawa nila is, umaasa sila sa mga kakilala nila.
Right.
To buy from them.
Friends and family.
Friends ko sabi, bro, bibili daw sila eh. Yung pinsan ko, bibili daw sila tsaka mga kaibigan niya eh. These people you know are not your market. So,
Correct.
since kakastart pa lang ng business niya, I suppose na yung good run ng business niya are the people who he knows
Immediate
and knows
support.
him na nagsusupport lang. Immediate support lang, di ba?
Correct.
Now, everyone bought their shirt. Stop. What now? Yun yung parang 4 days na drought daw. Wala siyang nabenta ng isa. Ngayon, nung lumabas daw yung video ko, nung birthday niya, within 10 minutes, yung paparating
Sold out.
pa raw, sold out lahat.
Jesus.
Sabi
Galing,
niya na
no?
sold out, boss. Maraming salamat talaga. Tapos nagdala ulit siya ng bago. Sabi ko, sure, why not? Sige, susuotin ko lang to. It's just immediate support. Sabi niya, kung alam ko naman na inaano niya, kailangan ba namin mag-pay para doon sa advertisement? Sabi ko, wala.
Yeah, nice.
Kasi I was there.
Right.
At your position before, I was there. And I just hope someone would lend me a helping hand
Right.
for me to boost my business just a little bit, di ba? It wouldn't hurt me naman eh.
Right. Right.
Nothing would have happened to me eh kung ginawa ko yun eh.
Oh.
And I would love, it
Na-bless
means the
ka pa
world.
eh.
It means the world to me though on the flip side kung ako yun na may gumawa sa akin. No?
Correct.
So, sabi ko hindi, wala. Okay na to boss, yung binigay niya sa akin na t-shirt. So, I intend to use that shirt all the time.
Right.
About the story then, and this could make his brand until future na, di ba? Yung brand, yung
Yeah.
story na to, di ba? Pero,
Kumbaga, gaining traction is very hard eh.
andiyan parang yung coincidence. Ay, yan yung sinasabi ko na opportunity.
When
Don't
preparation meets
Don't
opportunity. Oh.
Opportunities don't knock.